You ready?
Yeah. Hold on. Have you done this one before?
And just keep trying to go all the way. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. How does it look?
What do you mean?
At the end, does it get a little, like, not so steep?
Like mostly steep trees.
Okay, yeah. That's what I remember. I haven't been here in a while.
No worries. Go that way and keep going through the trees.
Okay. I'm not drunk.
There it is. There it is. Let's send it. You coming for the cliff too? Yeah. We're gonna send it off that. Nice.
Get it, Zach.
There we go. Nice, boys, nice.
Thanks for the motivation.
Hell yeah, no worries. I'm glad someone came with me.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh shit.